So next time you grab a hotel remote, remember, you aren't just turning on a screen.
Right, definitely not.
Yeah, you're actually logging into this highly restricted, high bandwidth network. And today's deep dive takes us right into the guts of that system.
Which is fascinating, honestly.
It really is. So our mission today is looking at a highly technical B2B product listing from HDTV Supply.
And they are a massive AV distributor, right? Like over 10,000 positive reviews.
Exactly. We are looking at them to uncover the hidden technology that runs modern hotel TV systems. Specifically, we're talking about the Vitec AVSRV-M8365 ArtioGuest software module.
Right, which used to be known as Exterity, just for context.
Oh, good catch. Yeah, and this module actually replaces their older 7300 software.
Specifically designed for hotels, yeah.
Right. It's kind of like upgrading from a clunky old cable box to a smart, totally personalized hospitality hub.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
And the big selling point they push here is the ArtioGuest and PMS integration.
Yes, the property management system. This is where it gets really interesting. Because it's not just about, watching TV anymore.
Like having your name just pop up on the screen when you walk in.
Well, yes, but it goes way beyond that. It connects the guest interface directly with the hotel's PMS to create this seamless operational ecosystem.
So it's a two-way street.
Exactly. The PMS feeds your billing and identity data to the screen, and then the screen requests, say, on-demand video or room service.
Updating the whole ledger in real time.
Right, exactly.
Okay, let's unpack this for a second, though. So a hotel just downloads this software, and they are good to go, like an app.
No. That is the crucial catch in this source material.
Wait, really? It's not just software?
Not at all. The software cannot run on its own. It requires the purchase of a dedicated physical hardware platform.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you have to buy their specific server chassis to even run it.
So they basically force you into their hardware ecosystem.
Yes, they completely lock it down. And it makes sense if you think about it.
How so?
Because when you're managing, real-time video distribution and financial transactions across, say, a 500-room property.
That's a lot of data.
It is. You just absolutely cannot afford any OS-level bottlenecks from some random third-party server.
Wow, okay. That actually makes perfect sense when you look at how they meter the data flow, too.
Right, the bandwidth tiers.
Yeah, they enforce these specific bandwidth options. So hotels have to choose between 110, 220, or 550 megabits per second.
And those aren't just arbitrary numbers. Think about the physical reality of a massive mega hotel.
Like if everyone orders a movie at the exact same time.
Exactly. If half the property orders a 4K movie at 8 p.m., that is a sudden massive draw on the network.
Right.
So throttling it at the license level guarantees those concurrent streams don't just, crash the entire building's network infrastructure.
Which connects directly to why a giant like HDTV Supply is distributing this. Pushing 550 megabits of concurrent multicast video needs serious iron behind it.
Oh, absolutely. You don't just run that through a basic closet switch.
Yeah. No, it requires the kind of heavy-duty gear HDTV Supply specializes in, like those massive Wolfpack HDMI matrix switchers.
And the multi-screen video wall controllers, yeah.
Yeah. The Vitec software is basically the conductor, but those massive physical switchers are the orchestra.
I love that analogy. It's perfect. The sheer logistics of moving that much high-definition data reliably to hundreds of rooms requires a strict synergy between the management software, the proprietary server, and the physical routing gear.
So the core takeaway for you today is that a hotel television isn't just a TV. It is fundamentally an endpoint in a highly guarded corporate network.
Throttled by strict bandwidth licenses and completely reliant on specialized infrastructure just to function at all.
Exactly. It's a massive physical undertaking just to make your guest experience feel frictionless.
So true.
But here is a final provocative thought to leave you with.
Oh, let's hear it.
Next time you check into a room and turn on that screen, think about this. If that TV is a two-way portal directly tied into the hotel's property management system, pulling your credit card info and everything.
Right.
What happens to that invisible data packet flowing through the HDMI matrix the exact moment you check out and the next guest picks up the remote?
Oh, wow. That is slightly terrifying.
Right. Keep that in mind on your next